kids. Today we work with our book page number 106 and 107, and we have a new unit. This unit is Let's Get Active. Let's get active. We are going to talk about verbs, action words, okay? That's what it is, action words. Entonces, we work with this page 106 and 107. And the first thing is to stick the missing items on the picture. Vamos a traernos los stickers. Recuerden que están en la parte de atrás de nuestro libro. Bring them and place them where they belong, okay? Vamos a ponerlos donde deben de ir esos stickers. Okay? After that, después de eso, we listen to our new song, the song for this unit, and it's like this.
I can't swim and I can't fly. I can't hop and I can't climb. But I can play music. I can play music. Pick up a paintbrush, play with a ball, dance with a friend, or sing to your doll. We're active kids. We're active kids. We're active kids. I can't swim and I can't fly. I can't hop and I can't climb. But I can dance. Oh yes, I can dance. I can't swim and I can't fly. I can't hop and I can't climb. But I can sing. I can sing. I can sing.
Okay, that's our song. Okay, y ya lo que hicimos en lo siguiente, lo hicimos en nuestra libreta or notebook. Remember, put the date on it. Pónganle la fecha del día de hoy. Today is Wednesday, 8th of May 2022. Y vamos a hacer lo siguiente. Let's write these words. Okay, you can make like a line, like a column, or you can do it like this. Okay, and vamos a escribir swim, fly, hop, climb, play music, dance, and sing. Okay, vamos a escribirlas para que vayan acostumbrándose cómo se escriben esas palabritas. And activity number 3. Okay, vamos a completarlas. Number 1 dice I can. ¿Qué es lo que puede hacer nuestro amiguito? I can. ¿Qué está haciendo? ¿Qué puede hacer? Okay, let's complete these sentences 1, 2, and 3 with this activity. Okay, I can't. What? ¿Qué estará haciendo este niño? I can't dance. ¿Será? I can't. What? Sing, yo creo, ¿verdad? And I can play the drum or I can play music. Yep, we can do that. Entonces, acuérdense, this work, we have to do it on our notebook. Lo vamos a hacer en nuestra libreta para completarlo, ¿ok? Bueno, today we work with this page. We have a new unit. Vamos a seguir trabajando y nos vemos entonces el día de mañana, tomorrow, Thursday. See you later. Bye, bye.